Please, proceed. Thank you. Please. The Inflation Reduction Act does so many things that for so many years, so many of us have fought to make happen.
I want to take a moment to say a few words about the so-called Inflation Reduction Act that we are debating. And I say so-called, by the way, because according to the CBO and other economic organizations that have studied this bill, it will in fact have a minimal impact on inflation.
You serious?
And let's be clear. In this historic moment, Democrats sided with the American people, and every single Republican in the Congress sided with the special interest in this vote. Every single one. In fact, the big drug companies spent nearly $100 million to defeat this bill. $100 million. And remember, every single Republican in Congress voted against this bill. Every single Republican in Congress voted against lowering prescription drug prices, against lowering health care costs, against the fairer tax system. Every single Republican, every single one, voted against tackling the climate crisis, against lowering our energy costs, against creating good-paying jobs. My fellow Americans, that's the choice we face. We can protect the already powerful or show the courage to build a future where everybody has an even shot. That's the America I believe in. That's what I believe in. And today, we've come a step closer to making that America real. Today, too often, we confuse noise with substance.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys!
And now, I'm going to take action that I've been looking forward to doing for 18 months. I'm going to sign the Inflation Reduction Act.
Okay. Here you go. It's now law.
Do you want to see President Biden, Senator, run for a second term?
Well, what I want to see right now is that the Congress of the United States working with President Biden next year.
So let me rephrase the question. Do you want to see him run for re-election?
Look, right now my concern is electing more Democrats in this midterm election so we can finally address the needs of working families. That's where my mind is right now.